People often ask why quantum computers are special. What is the power that quantum computers have over the classical computers? What are those principles, what are those governing factors which indeed make quantum computers better than classical computers? The answer to the question would be two phenomena. One, superposition, and the other entanglement. These are the two principles from quantum mechanics for which we do not have their classical analogous expressions or classical analogous counterparts, let's say. Now, to some extent, we would say superposition also exists in classical physics, but then there is no entanglement in classical physics, and superposition that you see in classical physics and quantum physics are quite different. So let's see first superposition, and then we'll deal what's entanglement. Okay. So what do I mean by superposition? Classically we say if there is a differential equation and if y1 is a solution, y2 is also a solution, then their sum is also a solution. So this is also a kind of superposition. Y1 and y2 are two solutions, then capital Y is also a solution, where alpha and beta are where alpha and beta are those weights basically. So this is a kind of example of a superposition classically. Quantum mechanics says superposition of quantum mechanical kind are quite different. So for example, suppose we have a state psi which is some alpha times a state 0 plus some beta times a state 1. This means psi exists in the superposition of 0 and 1. Does that mean it is 0 and 1 at the same time? Please note it, this is the major question that people often ask about superposition. Does it mean psi is at 0 and at 1 at the same time? The answer is no, not at all. Many people say, quantum mechanics say you are dead or alive at the same time. But that's not true. That's not the actual meaning of superposition. What superposition says is, if I measure it, if you see where psi is particularly, if you observe it, if you measure it by any way, alpha mod square times you are going to find it at 0 and beta mod square time you are going to find it at 1. Let's say alpha and beta are 1 by root 2, then psi equals to 1 by root 2 times 0 plus 1 by root 2 times 1. This means now if I try to see where psi lies and I observe it 100 different times, then it's likely that 50% of the time, half of the time, psi is found at 0 and half of the time psi is found at 1. So to summarize it, if I write my state of where I am, Barik as 1 by root 2 times Kolkata plus 1 by root 2 times Bhubaneswar. It does not mean I am at Kolkata and Bhubaneswar at the same time. It just says if you see me 1000 times or 1 lakh times or any big number times, then most likely half of the times you would see me at Kolkata and half of the time you would see me at Bhubaneswar. So it's not that I am at both the places at the same time. It is rather I am at one of the places at any one time. So that is the meaning of superposition. And this factor here denotes the probability of being here. The modulus square of this factor. So whatever here, we can see this generalized example. Alpha's mod square here says how much or what is the probability of being in 0, and beta mod square here says what is the probability of being in state 1. Yeah, and that's superposition. Any questions?